Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I think I spotted a freebie this morning and I'm gonna go see if it really works. Let's go do it at Kroger. All right, so there's a really great deal on these Lenny and Larry's The Boss Cookie. They're on closeout for 98 cents, but they are showing up for the 5-time digital coupon sale for $1 off one. So it would make them free if you can get the overage. We're gonna check it out and see if it works. I don't think this one is gonna work, but I do think I have another deal that will work. I'm also grabbing the keto cookies, which I think are an amazing deal. Just throwing this in here as a bonus. 99 cents, they're $1 off. And yeah, it's a really, really great deal on the keto cookies. But we're going to try these and see if the Boss cookies, because as you notice, the chocolate chip are also 99 cents. This one should be free with that 5-time digital, but we'll see if it comes off. So I'm just going to grab one. If not, 98 cents. I wouldn't pay 99 cents. Not a bad deal. So check your digital coupons. I have a freebie for this True North. I'm going to grab one of these. So it definitely will be free for me. But double check and see if you have this digital. Alright guys, so here is the possible freebie for you. So I haven't tried it. I'm going to go try it out real quick. These Vues hydration sensations here, like they look like this. They're, I think, a part of the Bang brand or whatever. Anyway, they're showing up online as 10 for 10, but also 5-time digital coupon for $1 off one. That would make this completely free. I don't think this will last. I think they'll change one or the other. They'll change either the cost of this back up to the original value or something. But if we can catch the glitch now, we might be able to grab one of these for free. I'm just going to try one for right now, but obviously my store has plenty of them, and hopefully they really do ring up for $1 and we get it for completely free. So before I tell you the outcome, Carmen got a star donut with sprinkles. Is it good? All right, so let's check this out. I know I bought a couple things. I got some Kroger apple juice and stuff like that. But if you look here at the Vues Blue Raz, it's actually showing $0. I paid nothing. So it's regularly priced $1.99, savings of 99 cents. And then that e-coupon came off for $1, making it completely free. So yes, it did ring up just $1, and that 5-time digital did come off. So if you grabbed 5 of them, you could get them for free, at least for now. However, if you look at the Lenny butter cookie, it was 98 cents. So that was the closeout price. There was a 5-time digital coupon that should have attached. It didn't attach. I suspected that because it was going to be completely free and actually 2 cents of overage. I didn't think it would attach to it. So anyway, that's good to know. So don't bother getting the Lenny closeout cookies there. But the blue, or not the Blue Raz, the Vues drinks will be completely free up to 5, at least for now, until they decide to change the the price or take down the tags or pull the coupon, you know. So just keep an eye out that this deal could end at any time. All right, guys, so real quick, just a quick recap. These Vues drinks here on sale for $1, 5-time digital coupon for $1 off one, making it completely free. And we also have another freebie. If you have the True North freebie coupon, I don't know when I got this. I noticed it this morning. I loaded it and I grabbed it. Check your digital, see if you have this freebie. You're going to get it. Those two are a go on free. This, however, is not. So these Lenny and Larry, the Boss Cookie peanut butter chunk cookies that are on closeout for 98 cents do not attach to the 5-time digital coupon. So if you want to grab them for 98 cents, it's still a cent cheaper than it would be if it was not on closeout and had the 5-time digital, but not the freebie deal we were hoping for. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and stay tuned because I will have a must-do deals video out for you later.
I am at my school too.
And we're in the bus line, or we're in the, not the bus line, we're in the line to go to school to drop off for preschool, so she'll be gone. All right, bye guys.